Puerto Rico continues to shake from aftershocks tonight following two powerful earthquakes in as many days. At least one person now dead, dozens others are injured. ABC's Trevor Ault takes a closer look at the damage.
Puerto Rico is now in a state of emergency. A 6.5 earthquake rocking the island, followed by at least 11 aftershocks. Island residents woken up by their homes shaking.
I could hear cracks, my house, everything started falling over.
Officials preemptively shutting down the island's notoriously vulnerable power grid, many kept in darkness.
Power in my room here in Old San Juan is out.
The governor now activating the National Guard. Tuesday's quake coming on the heels of a 5.8 earthquake the day before, one of the strongest to ever hit the territory. Houses knocked off their foundations, snapped power poles, and this famous landmark, the Punta Ventana rock formation, destroyed. Then more than 13 strong aftershocks, a TV station on air during one of them. Officials say tremors have saturated the area since late December. Monday's quake striking less than 10 miles off the southwestern coast near the major city of Ponce. Reports of several injuries are now pouring in, including at least one death, a man killed after a wall collapsed on top of him.
The White House says President Trump and the FEMA administrator have been in contact with the Puerto Rican governor, and they're monitoring this situation. The hope is to return the power later today, but there are reports that the power plants have been damaged. Trevor Ault, ABC News, New York.